Ashcroft is proud to announce our new high-purity pressure measurement solutions for the semiconductor industry, the Model ZT and ZX pressure transmitters, as well as the HPS and HPX pressure gauges. Leveraging over 30 years of experience of our parent company, Nagano Keiki, we've designed these high-purity instruments that boast best-in-class performance and quality control for ultra-clean applications. Our deep understanding of the critical processes used to manufacture ultra-high purity instruments for the semiconductor industry is grounded in what we do every day. As a semiconductor manufacturer ourselves, we use the same processes and strict contamination controls needed to produce our sensing elements, which are incorporated into the millions of pressure transmitters and other sensing devices we manufacture every year. Our high-purity pressure transmitters and gauges are manufactured and packaged in a purpose-built Class 100 cleanroom to eliminate contamination during every step of the process. The Ashcroft high-purity transmitters and gauges are the perfect solution for pressure monitoring in UHP gas and fluidic delivery systems. Our transmitters offer a variety of pressure connections for high-purity systems, including VCR-compatible, along with C and W-type modular connections. The ZX12 transmitter adds ATEX and IECEX approvals for hazardous locations to the capabilities of the standard ZT12. To reduce the chances of impurities in critical UHP processes, the Ashcroft high-purity products utilize double-melt 316L stainless steel wetted materials. The internal surface area and volume of the transmitters are minimized to decrease dry-down times to allow for quick changeover of processes. The 316L materials utilized in the Ashcroft high-purity pressure transmitters and gauges provide exceptional performance and resistance to corrosion, as well as resistance to the effects of hydrogen embrittlement, which even in low concentrations can significantly impact pressure measurement device reliability and safety. Built with reliability in mind, the high-purity transmitters feature our ultra-reliable CVD sensing technology to ensure precise and stable pressure measurement, and are capable of accuracies as good as plus or minus 0.25% of span, with a 4 to 20 milliamp or 1 to 5 volt DC output signal. Pressure ranges for the device are available in gauge and absolute ranges up to 3000 psi. The digitally compensated circuit incorporated in the ZT and ZX transmitters provides unparalleled accuracy across a wide range of temperatures. The circuit design also incorporates enhanced EMI RFI protection to minimize the impact of electrical noise on the output signal. Our high-purity gauges include the HPX 28mm, which offers a compact case design with a diaphragm movement and an accuracy of plus or minus 3% of span. For higher pressure ranges, the 50mm and 63mm gauges offer ranges from vacuum to 3000 psi, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1.6% of span. And the HPS 50mm provides an additional switch safety feature. Our gauges have a variety of pressure connections for high-purity systems, including VCR-compatible, along with lower and back-mounting positions. By minimizing inaccuracies due to environmental conditions, the Ashcroft high-purity transmitters and gauges are an excellent choice for pressure measurement in ultra-high-purity process applications. The addition of the ZT, ZX, and ZL transmitters and HPX, HPS, and HPT gauges to our other products, such as the CXL-DP, PXL-DP, GXL-DP, and GC30, allow Ashcroft to stand out in providing reliable pressure measurement for cleanroom and ultra-high purity applications.